How to get your TikTok live stream key. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up Streamlabs either on your Play Store or App Store, or you can also open it up on your browser. After that, log into your Streamlabs account, and if you are new to it, simply sign up for a new account. You can also download it on your PC or your laptop, or you can also download it on your mobile device. After downloading and creating your account, just simply open up the account, and on the top left hand side, you would be able to find three lines. Simply click on it. Then you would be able to find the option of account settings. Simply open up the account settings, and there you would be able to find TikTok in the list of different social medias where we can stream. Simply select TikTok and log into your TikTok account. And after that, you would be able to get a streaming key. Just copy that particular key and paste it up on your streaming software. This way you would be able to stream from TikTok. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.